I'm just at home and I thought maybe I'd have a bit of fun trying a hair mask for everyone. So I've chopped up a ripe banana and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to mix them together, put them on my hair for 20 minutes and see what happens. Once mixed, apply to washed hair. Once you've got it in, leave it on for 20 minutes. So while my banana hair mask is on, I thought I'd make use of the rest of our ripened bananas. I'm going to make a banana loaf. As you know, I'm not the cook of the household, so it could turn out any old how. I have one ingredient missing, which is the baking powder. So hopefully it's only a teaspoon, it won't make too much difference. So you put the mashed up banana in the tin if you can. A little bit of milk, a bit of butter, a bit of sugar, flour, 2 eggs, and then whisk it all together and put in your loaf tin. My kind of cooking. Bung it in, done. Okay, so once blended together, we pour it into our lined loaf tin, and then we're going to put it in the oven for about an hour. And I'm no pioneer woman, so we'll see how it comes out. So I've just washed the treatment off. I'll admit it was a little bit messy with bananas in the shower, but I'll dry it off and we'll see how it feels. Right, all dry now. Feels nice, got a nice shine. I would say my top tip would be, if you've got long hair like mine, you probably need a big banana or you need 2, so you can comb it through a bit easier. And I'd probably use a good oil, not too much of a thick one, because I think it will leave a bit of a coating on the hair and just be build up on the hair. But otherwise, it was a bit of a fun experiment. So now I'm going to go and see what my banana loaf's doing. Voila! It looks pretty good, doesn't it? Let's just slice it there. Okay, let's see how this tastes. It's actually quite good. Cheers, stay safe everyone.